The seed of success. A story of patience and perseverance. Once upon a time, a boy was given a tiny seed. He was told,
Plant this seed and it will grow into something amazing.
He eagerly planted the seed and watered it every day, dreaming of the big tree it would become. Days turned into weeks, but the seed showed no signs of sprouting. The boy started to feel discouraged. An elder saw the boy's disappointment and said, "Great things take time. Be patient and keep caring for it." The boy decided not to give up. Every day, he continued to water the seed with hope. One morning, the boy saw a tiny sprout. His hard work and patience had paid off. Over time, the sprout grew into a magnificent tree, providing fruit and shade for everyone. The boy learned the value of patience and persistence. The lesson: great things take time, but they're always worth the wait. Nurture your dreams, just like the seed. If you enjoyed this story and loved the way it was designed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, JCC Official. We've also shared beautiful and easy design tutorials that you can try yourself.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.